Kadu, and I'm here to inspect the machine. I actually ordered two machines, block machines, the one over there and the one over here. Both machines are fully hydraulic machines. They produce blocks. I had them make blocks for construction and other molds for pavers for the two machines. The machine comes fully set. It has a full unit. It has one of the barrels over there. If you can, it has one over there where you can do the mixture of sand, which is gravel, 10%, 60%, 30% pressure of the mixture. It comes through a conveyor belt over there. So when you have a conveyor belt, you have the molds in, and it's pretty easy to start the machine. You can start it. The machines and the blocks come through here, up to here where the blocks are taken out. You have two options. The first option you can use is a wheelbarrow. You can use that if you have a forklift to take the pallets with the machines, with the blocks that are ready made or pavers. You can take those away where they can dry, or you can use any kind of equipment to remove the blocks from here and go dry them. But it's a good machine, really good machine. That's why we ordered two instead of one. There's pallets over there, two that come along if you're interested. And I worked with a gentleman to correspond, make the connections from the time I reached out to the company, Linyi Osino Machinery Company. I was working very closely with a fine gentleman here who is Robin Liu, to help coordinate everything and making sure that I travel from the airport to come and inspect the machine and make sure that everything is satisfactory. So again, Robin is a great person to work directly with.
Thank you.
His phone number is down in the bottom. I can share with you, and Robin can tell you more about the company. But a very good product, and I appreciate the business with them.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.